Installing a paper towel dispenser by Egg. Z-fold paper towels have been bought separately and will be installed too. Inside the box you'll get the dispenser, 3 adhesive hooks which I do recommend attaching to, then drilling holes. You get wall fixings, a 1-year warranty card, a key to open or lock the front lap, and simple instructions. There's a front window to show how many paper towels are left, all made out of plastic. Quick installation, mark up, peel off the backing and apply the self-adhesive hook pads. Take off the nut. Test it out, make sure the fittings is all good.
Soap on, done. Oh, I don't know soap on now.
Screw back in the nuts. Now this is the lock and unlock mechanism. Insert the key and push down to unlock. More on this in the instruction manual. Now the paper towels that I bought is the Z-fold 2-ply ones, which I personally recommend, and in this pack there's 200 towels. Push in to lock and make sure you lock it from the key and you're all good to go. Paper towels are widely considered the most hygienic and efficient option for your guests at home, then modern hand dryers. Stay safe guys, peace.